Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to link Instagram to Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to link Instagram to our Facebook account, we'll be going to the Facebook app. So let's first open up the Facebook app. And on this interface guys, you'll be required to tap on the three line icons at the top right corner of the screen just below the messenger icon. Tap on that three line icon. And over here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen just below the bell icon. Tap on that settings icon. And over here you'll be required to tap on the Meta Account Center, which is at the top, and again tap on the profiles option available at the top of the screen. And from over here you can see the add accounts option available for us. Tap on that add accounts option, and then this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to log into your Instagram by entering your user ID and your password of your Instagram account. And after that, click on login, and after that tap on login at the middle of the screen, and then your Instagram will be linked to your Facebook account. And there guys, this is how to link Instagram to Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.